Hello YouTubers, this is your favorite channel GuzzTechno with a review of MIUI 11.1 by Xiaomi EU 9.10.31 beta version, and this one is for Poco F1. So today we are going to review this ROM, and first let me just tell you a few features which this ROM has. I will start with the most discussed one, which is the dark mode for Android 10. This one has a global dark mode available, which is not there in the MIUI 11 stable for Poco F1, which actually really pissed me off, as the difference is when you apply the global dark mode, the apps which do not support the Android 10 dark mode, their UI is changed to a dark one. So if you have Facebook installed and you prefer dark mode, I'll prefer you enable this feature. However, there are still some issues because with Facebook Messenger, it makes the chats white, and you can hardly read what's there. So if you are using Messenger, I'll suggest you turn off the global dark mode off. Otherwise it works perfectly fine with every other app. Then you have live wallpapers. So let's see, system wallpapers, dynamic. Now this is the one. I'll apply this one. Right, you can see it's a live wallpaper. It's working perfectly fine. This is also one of the features which was not there in the MIUI 11 stable for Poco F1. So most of the features were missing from the stable release of MIUI 11, which I thought was a half-baked MIUI 11, which was released for Poco F1. As we are all aware, it's a 1-year-old phone, and most probably Xiaomi will be dropping support next year, so they are not that much interested in giving all the features to Poco F1. Otherwise it'll hit the sales of K20 Pro and K20. And now we have cast with screen off. So cast with screen off, it's a really nifty feature which should be great if you have Fire Stick, if you have Miracast on your TV, which I do, and all you have to do is select cast from here and then select your smart TV. Now you have an option to cast with screen off. So this is the best thing, because at times I want to cast few things on my TV, because I don't want to turn on my PC every time. If I'm watching something from LinkedIn Learning, it's better to watch it on a big screen rather than on phone. I just want to cast those kind of videos, and I want to turn off my screen to save the battery. So this is one of the very neat features of MIUI 11, which is also not there in the stable build. And we have dynamic sound effects. So these sound effects will depend on how the weather is outside, and it just works. Like if you select nature birds, you'll have different kind of birds singing to you every day. Then you have a floating calculator, which is also quite a good feature, although I don't use the calculator that much. Let me just see where it is. It's here. All you do have to do is click here. You see the arrows on the top left hand side, so you do that. This is for the opacity, the bubble icon. So if I want more transparency, I can do this, and yep, it works quite well. The best thing is the brightness is fixed in this version, so unlike 9.10.24, You don't face any issues with low brightness, even if it's on auto brightness mode. This one has latest game turbo, which is also not there in the stable version, which was released for Poco F1. And I've seen the Telegram channel of Poco phone official channel. There are a lot of people complaining there that, even though this is the latest version which was given, there are apps which haven't been updated. There have been instructions to delete that pre-installed game turbo and install the new one, but you don't have to do that with this ROM because it's already available. And last but not the least, you get excellent battery backup. So with my kind of usage, I do a lot of Twitter, I watch YouTube videos, I do browsing, and I also do a bit of gaming, not PUBG and Fortnite, but I do play stick cricket online. Right now I'm getting around 7 to 8 hours of battery backup, which is excellent because my phone is 1 year old, and that's pretty great because I think I will continue for another year with Poco F1, as it's giving me really great battery backup. And yep, we have great ports like this one. There are few bugs though. One is the fingerprint issue for few models. For me it works fine because and if you want to check before the installation, I suggest you install the app Device Info HW, which is hardware. You won't see the specifications right now because I'm recording the screen. It doesn't allow you to record the screen with the device specifications. You need to check if your fingerprint sensor is a Goodix one, Goodix, Goodix. If it is a Goodix fingerprint sensor, you won't face any issues. And also the developer has stated there is an issue with the portrait images which are taken from the stock camera. They appear as a regular image in the gallery. For me that hasn't been an issue. I did take a portrait image and my background was blurred out, so I'm not sure whether it's for everyone. So you can try and share in the comment section below whether it worked for you or not. Or else we always have Google camera, which is gcam port by Sanity. I'll be posting the link, XDA link below. And this ROM is work of Eduardo from Telegram group channel for MIUI 11 port for Poco F1, and there are a few other people involved as well. I would like to thank them all. It's in no way my work. I'm just reviewing this ROM, and installation instructions I'll be sharing in the description below. You can go through that, try the ROM for yourself, leave the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you, and do subscribe to my channel. If you like my work, share your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.